Hello, and welcome. Thank you so much for being here. To get started, find a seat that feels comfortable and relaxing. And you can choose to sit cross-legged on a chair with your legs out in front of you. And if you like, you can lie down as well. The idea here is to find relaxation, to find stillness, and letting your body connect with the earth. Feel the weight of your body transferring over onto the floor. And feeling supported by the earth underneath you. Scan the body from head to toe. Releasing any obvious tension that you might be holding on to. Soften around the eyes and the cheeks. Relaxing into your jaw. And letting your tongue rest at the base of the mouth. Soften into the throat. And letting your shoulders drop away from the ears. Arms are heavy. And releasing tension from the lower back. And with every in-breath, imagine the crown of your head lengthening upwards. And as you exhale, the tailbone rooting deep into the earth. Inhale to lengthen, and exhale to root down. And checking in with the senses. See if you can bring awareness to your sense of touch. Noticing the temperature of the air around you. Noticing the textures of your clothes, of the mat or the floor. The skin is our body's biggest organ. And utilizing as much of the organ here as we can to take in information about the world around us. And see if you can breathe with ease, just allowing the air to flow freely through the body. Noticing the sounds in the room. Observing. Noticing how, even with the eyes closed, we have a sense of vision. Maybe you can sense some light. And see if you can relax the eyes, letting your field of view widen. Just noticing the color in front of your eyes. Noticing how much light is passing through the eyelids. Noticing any tastes, any sensations in your mouth. Noticing any scents in the room. Our senses are like the windows of a house. They allow us to gather information about the world outside of us. There's another sense that we have, which is this inner awareness. Knowing that our lungs and chest expand every time we breathe, even though the eyes are closed. Knowing when you move your body, maybe you adjust the fingers, the wrists, and noticing how the body can tell exactly what is happening, even though we can't hear it, see it, or really notice in any way other than the interoception, our body's internal awareness, telling us what's going on the inside. It really is connecting to the inside, this inner awareness. It's always guiding us, whether we are aware of it or not. Helps us to make sense and understand the world outside of us. And continue to breathe. Let there be a sense of ease through your body, a sense of ease in your breath, and a sense of ease in the mind. Allowing your awareness to drop out of the head and make its way down into the body. Feeling your breath. Expand your lungs to open up the ribcage. And feel the softening and release as you exhale. And feel the warm air rising up and exiting your body. And following your breath from start to finish. And if you find your thoughts wandering off, taking you someplace else, when you become aware of it, come back to the breath. Come back to the body. Back to the present moment. If you find yourself getting tangled up with your thoughts and allowing them to take you away from here, notice how that makes you feel. And if you find yourself getting frustrated or irritated with yourself, know that getting distracted is part of the process. That our mind is designed to continue to look outward, scanning for any threats or possible danger. And it's this monkey mind that we're trying to focus inward. And it goes against a lot of how we've used our mind for a long time. So it is going to be frustrating at times. It will be challenging. But that is the process. And each time you come back to your breath, think of that as a repetition. It's a rep that you've completed that's going to make you a little bit stronger and to have more endurance. And being in meditation is not about being blissed out for the entire time, but rather finding moments of connection to self, connection to the present moment, connection to our bodies. And if we can start to string these moments together, one after next, then we start to live in a way that's more mindful. Because the point of meditation is not to become a meditator, but rather to become mindful through our lives. Thank you so much for being here. And feel free to continue for as long as you want to. Until next time, namaste.